Hi, my name is Sar Farrajan, and this is the product demo for our product, Clinix. Clinix is a software to automate the entire process of collecting, analyzing, and entering data for clinical observational research. Researchers can skip reading through thousands of clinical notes and PDFs, and instead simply ask Clinix questions about patients, medications, observations, etc., or drop in an Excel you'd like to fill out. And it's integrated with mainstream EMRs, so all you'll need to do to set it up is log into your EMR. Let's take a look. Here I'll ask it to tell me more about a patient's personal information. I'll ask it here to read through a patient's clinical notes to tell me more about a patient's injuries. And here, I'll drop in an Excel with empty patient information I'd like to know about. Things like age, recent blood pressure readings, medications the patient is using, and allergies. And just like that, you have your answers all in one place, saving weeks or months of extremely tedious work and allowing you to get to the real research part. Thanks so much, and I hope you like the demo.